You love to video blog. It's one of your favorite activities. And now that your case is coming up for trial, you expect and you hope and you want to go ahead and video blog about the events that are going on in your particular trial. Can you do that? Can you video blog the actual events that are happening in your particular case? Would you like to know the answer? Come join me on this walk as I share with you the answer to that question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. The answer is no, you cannot do that. Do not under any circumstance do that. It doesn't matter how prolific a video blogger you are. It doesn't matter what you post online. The reality is that if you go ahead and start to comment either in video or written format and put stuff online, I guarantee you that the defense lawyer is going to go ahead and scrutinize every single thing that you put online. Now, why is that a big deal? It's a big deal because when you get up to testify, now every single thing that you have posted is subject to cross-examination. The defense lawyer is going to do everything possible to cross-examine you, to destroy your credibility, and to show that comments that you have made on your video blogs are in fact biased against the doctor and in favor of you. So now what happens then? What happens is that the attorney is going to ask the court for permission to show various portions of whatever it is that you posted online, various videos. And if now that is going to show that you have an inherent bias, or you might have slandered or libeled the doctor in one of those videos, now the focus of the entire case, your case, has changed from showing that the doctor was careless, causing you harm and injury, to the acts that you did by posting certain information online because you were a prolific video blogger and wanted the world to know about what a horrible job this doctor did in treating you. And you wanted to make sure this doesn't happen to any other patient. Well, guess what? Now you've opened up a whole can of worms, and the whole focus of the case is now going to switch from the claims that you have made against the doctor to what actions you took to libel or slander or comment upon the actions of your doctor. So you don't want to be in that situation. Plus, you don't want to give the defense ammunition about additional things to use against you during cross-examination. In all likelihood, there's plenty of stuff that the defense lawyer can use to cross-examine you. Why do you want to give them additional information? Is it because you have this desire and urge to tell the world about what happened? You know what? After your trial is over, that may be the appropriate time to tell the world about what happened, but not during your trial. Don't do it during trial breaks. Don't pull out your phone and start reporting from the courthouse. Don't do it during trial, where you're sitting in the courtroom and now you've got a witness on the stand and maybe it's an opposing medical expert. And now you disagree with what's being said. So you pull out your phone and secretly press Facebook Live video. And guess what? Now you're reporting live. In just a few moments, when the court officer recognizes what you're doing, guess what? They're going to come over to you, tell you to turn off that phone. Turn off the cameras. There are no cameras allowed in the courtroom. So you run into that issue as well. And if the jury sees you trying to blog or video blog about your particular case, again, the judge is going to remind you and scold you in front of them that you are not to do that, that cameras are not permitted in the courtroom, and under no circumstance should you be commenting on the details of what's going on in your case on a day-to-day basis. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you because there's so many people today who immediately want to post whatever is happening to them online, and they want all their friends and relatives and family members to see exactly what's happening when it's happening. And the commentary certainly doesn't hurt. Well, guess what? Don't do it. It's not worth it. It's going to harm you much more than it'll help you. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to show you what can happen in a medical malpractice case in New York when you decide, hey, I want to go ahead and start video blogging certain aspects of the trial, or maybe the whole thing. Don't do it. You know, I realize you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if you have not yet started a lawsuit and still have questions about your matter, and it did happen here in New York, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.